Hello everyone. Welcome to PowerPoint Tips part number 1. And thus we're going to see 5 important tips that will help you work more efficient in PowerPoint. Let's start as usual doing it practical. Do watch until end of this video so that you will not miss any of the important tips. First one, quick access toolbar, right? You can see here the top left corner is called a ribbon or quick access toolbar, where you can just add options which you're supposed to use most often, and you know it is easy for you to do. Here there is a icon, you can click on that, go to more comments. Already what are all selected: auto save, save option, undo, redo. These are already there. You don't want undo, you can just click on that, it will go back. You don't want save, remove the save button. Now the save button left. If you want to add few more in your ribbon, just go to here, more commands, right? In that you can just select here quick print. It is long lengthy one, so that what is not available in ribbon you can go and see commands not in ribbon, right? So whatever you want to do, most of my favorite is quick save. Sorry, it is already added in ribbon. The other option is quick print and toggle the cases. So let me scroll down to quick print. I will add it. Just select that particular option, click on add. The next one is toggle case. Toggle case, click on OK, right? Now you can see this option, quick print and toggle option is enabled in our case. This quick print will help you to give wherever you are there, just click on print. It will print your screen, which is by default you have selected on it, right? These are not required, so I'm deleting by now. So if I want this to change the cases, it is completely in uppercase, so I want to change it. I will click so that it will go to lowercase, from lowercase to original case, again to uppercase. So this is just to toggle your cases, to make your case, if you want all the things into be a uppercase, lowercase, or to be original one, it helps you more to do that. That is the first option, which is quick access toolbar. This, I must to say one thing, you want this particular ribbon lower than this menu, you can select show below the ribbon so that it will change and it will be just attached to your menu bar. If you don't want, the same position is okay for me, just click show above the ribbon so that it will go back. Okay, this is the first tip, which is quick access toolbar. Second one, ink equation, right? What is ink equation? We know in mathematics we have a lot of equations which ideally even PowerPoint helps you to insert. Where it is an insert, equation, and ink equation. Ink equation is nothing but taking a pen and writing your own to see this is the equation which you're going to use, right? Let's do it and see what is that, right? So as I said, go to insert, equation, click on ink equation. You can see a lot of equation by default it is showing. If you want from Pythagoras theorem, you can take it, binomial theorem, area of circle. You can get a lot of equations by there only. If you want anything to specify, then go on ink equation. There is option for writing a letter, erase it, or for making an autocorrection. Means you've typed A like this and you want to correct it, so you can go and trim it, and this will help you like which is that or close you don't want. Erase option will help you to remove those stuffs. So if I'm typing A plus, it is not necessary it should be in appropriately. You can write whatever it will convert and give to you. A plus B equal to Z, right? If I insert, I'll get this formula here. I'm just maximizing it so that it is visible, right? This is the way, like, you want to insert any particular equation, this will help you to insert that. That is the option which is inc equation. What next? Recover and save file. This is one of the very cool option, and it is having a more, like whenever we are doing something and we forgot to save and closed it, but later we want that, there is no other option to recover it. So this recovered unsaved file will help you to do that. How to do? Let's see. Open any one PowerPoint. From there, go to File, or open a new and go to File. Open. This there is, you can see presentations and folders. Anyway, either in presentation or folder, you can see the last, there is an option called Recover Unsaved Presentation. If you click on that, that will open a folder where all these unsaved files will be saved. You can see the folder is showing as unsaved file. It will show. Currently, there is no unsaved file, so you are not seeing anything. But if it is there, you can open from there, which will help you to recover your unsaved files. Okay, let's move on to fourth point, smart lookup. Yes, this is not the feature of particular PowerPoint. This feature is available in all MS Office softwares, including Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, right? Let's see how to do that. For example, you want for this particular words, meaning or news related to it, you can just select that, go to option review and click smart lookup. You will see on the right hand side the smart lookup bar is open for you, and you can increase the size or color by this. Click on option. You can explore, like it will give you like a Wikipedia or information in a web. You want anything, you can just click more and you can keep reading it, or you can just add to your particular slides if it is useful, right? And also you don't want information or news about that particular word, but you want what does that particular word means. You can go to define and you can see the information about that particular message, right? It's a noun, global warming, which is overall temperature rise in the earth atmosphere. Such information you can get. This option is called smart lookup, right? This is one of the best option when you are typing something, you want to insert some information on it. You just do it, just do copy and use that here, which will help you a lot to do that, right? This help in this way to reduce your work burden of searching something in Google and do something extra work, right? Even you can do case related informations by changing your toggle cases. See, always first letter in capital remain follows and a small will be good. So yes, that will help you. Then the final tip is click drag to duplicate. This option is a very cool option instead of copying paste, right? See, even a background I pasted in such a way. I want to make multiple ducks to draw, so I take one and make a copy of it. The same way, this click drag to duplicate will work. See how we are doing it. Currently, I am in this file where this box is alive. I want this particular box to be duplicated in other locations. So what I can do is just press Control and hold it. Which object you want to be duplicated, just click on that and drag wherever you want. It is not necessary you should select previous to do the drag. Just Control, press on that object, click select. It will come. Like how many objects you want, you can make it. It is as simple as that. Click and drag to duplicate it. It is a very cool and efficient option to drag multiple times to get it duplicated. Hope this video helps you. If it is helpful, please share your comments, hit like button, and don't forget to subscribe. We'll catch up with next tip video soon. Take care.